Alright, so here we are down in the ultimate of all garages. We're at Ross Honours, Top Tune, New Zealand, down in Taranaki. He's just tuned up the new RB32 in this with the latest Link Dash. So we're just going to have a little show of what the dash is looking like and the different configurations that can get done. Obviously we're going for a very basic setting. We want to see revs, oil pressure, engine temp, oil pressure. So Ross has gone through, he's figured it out. There's a whole heap of different settings.
There's lots of buttons.
Lots of buttons. This is the first time ever I've actually had a dash in my car, which is pretty awesome. But as you can see, this thing is pretty teched out if we want it. Shows us what gear. Look at all the different settings that are there. Now I'm obviously going to have to get a full rundown on this. Ross is now just plugged into the his laptop just to slightly change some configurations on there. Make sure our limits come up, red lights flash when it's too hot, doing burnouts, so on and so forth. But pretty stoked to have this latest and greatest by Link, tuned by the Bald Best. So pretty cool. We'll give you more rundown as the times go, as we start to use this car and how it all works.